Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you click that notification bell and make sure you click all to see my future uploads. So today guys, we are going to be doing a review on the Honeypot company. So let's get started. Alright you guys, so I have some notes here on my phone just to kind of keep me on track. So if you do not know what the Honeypot company is, it's just a feminine care system. They provide washes, menstrual care, as well as other things for women. This was created by a woman of color. She is the founder. Her name is V Dixon, and yeah, everything will be on the screen, you guys. So the reason why I picked up the Honeypot company, I'm gonna give you a little backstory. I've always dealt with menstrual cramps that were like, in my mind they were severe. Honey, I don't know if they would consider severe, but it's my body and I know what my body is telling me. But I wanted to try this product out last summer, but I didn't get my hands on it until like, I would say September-ish. I was out of town and my cycle came on, so we went to Target and I seen the menstrual pads and I picked them up because I definitely wanted to try out. But a little bit of backstory, yeah, I have menstrual cramps that are very severe. I would get like pain in my thighs, definitely in my back, and I got on birth control to try to calm that down. That didn't work. Birth control didn't do it, but made the girl gain weight. So I stopped my birth control in August. Yes, in August. And I was like, I gotta find something else. Like, I got to figure this out. So I was buying like natural menstrual pads and things like that from like Walmart. They were straight, but I wanted to try this company because it was black owned, and you know, we love that over here. And I just heard so many good things about this. So let's get into product. Yeah, I bought the sensitive foaming wash, and it has no parabens, no what is this, deoxides. It's plant-based, and it's a plant-based feminine care and all. It's like a little refresher. It's 100% natural, cruelty free, sulfate free. So I purchased the Honeypot foaming wash sensitive because I didn't know how my body was going to react to the normal. But I actually enjoy this. It's very light. I love that it's very light. And yeah, like, I use this a lot. I didn't think I was going to use it because I already use like another feminine wash that I really like. I have both just in case, but I'm gonna have to buy another one. So that's that. She also has the mommy to be like foaming wash and things like that. So basically what I bought, let me just talk about what I bought. I bought the feminine wash and sensitive. I also bought the wipes, which I don't have any more of. I completely use all the wipes, which I love. I love keeping wipes in my bag. It's just for a quick refresher, anything like that. I like to feel clean, so I will be reordering the wipes as well. I also brought the spray. Now I use the spray. It's the Awakening Jasmine Panty spray, and you can also, it says you can use it for under your arms, your feet, things like that, just to give a quick refresher. I bought the spray just to see how it was. I think I can do without the spray. I don't use it like that because I just use wipes and things like that, so I can definitely do without the spray. But if you are interested, definitely buy it. Like, I use it in shoes, and I think it might be the fragrance. This comes in lavender as well, so maybe I can try lavender. I don't know, but I don't think I would purchase the spray again because I just don't feel the need to have the spray. So She has the cleansing products, the foam and wash feminine wipes, and the refreshing spray. So getting into the bulk of why I purchased her products, I went in and y'all, I bought all her menstrual pads. I bought the regular, I have the overnight, I got the panty liners, and I also purchased the super. I am now out of the super. I just used up all the super. So that's that. But I love these panty liners because they for everyday wear. You know, all her pads and things like that have herbal, they're herbally infused with the mint cooling, has lavender, aloe. Let me just do this. Yeah, so these are the panty liners, and I enjoy using the panty liners because they do have the mint cooling sensation, and you can wear them for every day just to kind of keep yourself dry. I like that feeling of being kind of dry. So I purchased the panty liners. I purchased the regular pads that's also herbally infused. Pretty much all of it's herbally infused, and I have like a couple left. I'm getting ready to repurchase. And I also bought the overnight. Like I said, I used up all my super, but I bought the overnight, and everything works fine. Now there are pros and cons to everything. The pro for me for these pads is that they are herbally infused, and that mint cooling sensation actually works, and it keeps me from cramping. When I first started using this, like I'll use these products for 2 months so I can get a good feel of them. When I first started using these products, I cramp like normal, you know, my severe cramps, and I noticed that they kind of help with the cramps. So I was like, okay, let me keep using it. So this time around, when I had my cycle, I went in using the same products again, and I noticed that I didn't really day 1 I did not cramp. Day 2 I did not cramp. I think I cramped like day 3. I don't know why, but I did, and it was like close to going off, maybe because it's like the heaviest day. But these pads has calmed all of that down, y'all. Like, I don't know, like I know it's in her products, but it works. Honestly, it works for me. I have seen people say they didn't like the mint cooling sensation. I love it. Especially when I first tried it, I was like, girl, what's going on down there? Like, what is this? What is this? Sorcery, okay? But no, I love the pads. My only con for the menstrual pads, I like to feel secure. So I like thicker pads. You know how I like always have the thicker pads. It just makes me feel a little bit more secure and not so like I'm gonna mess up my clothes, especially like being at work for 8 hours and things like that. Like I change, but I don't want to be like changing throughout the day. So if she ever were to make like thicker pads, girl, you know I'm on board to purchase that, okay? So those are the only cons for the pads. Y'all, she has so many other products that I have not tried. I think she has some new stuff on here as well. I did not purchase the tampons. I do not do tampons. That's just that. I tried. It don't work. It makes me cramp more. So I do not do it. But she also has the cup. She has postpartum herbal pads for women that just had kids or anything like that. I mean, you should definitely check out the site. She has so much. She has like this vulva cream and this body balm that I'm gonna have to try out. But I think that's all. Like I feel like I ran through that pretty quickly, but overall I will be purchasing again. I will not be purchasing the spray again, but I will be getting the wipes, the wash, and the pads, and hopefully maybe she can, like, I don't know, get thicker pads. Just, it's a personal preference, because at night I do wear the overnight, but I don't sleep when my cycle's on. I don't know about you, but I do not sleep. I don't know, it just messed up my sleeping pattern, and then I'm thinking like, am I gonna mess up my sheets and things like that? So that's that, you guys. That is all I have. If you enjoyed this review, want to see more, definitely give this video a like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.